What's up, guys? It's Cody and Cody.
The whole "What's up, guys"? That's such a YouTube thing.
What's up, guys?
But it's so like interactive.
Yeah.
It's like, what's up, guys? It's me and me.
It's me and me.
It's
Me
yin and yang.
Yin.
Yin
Yin.
yang. Yin yang.
And while we're on that,
Right.
as you can tell by the title,
I got something.
yeah,
I got something I've been wanting for a long, long time.
it already is like almost themed out.
It's
you know?
almost there. It just
You know?
needs a little bit of green. It should be mean.
Oh yeah.
Jump.
Ooh!
Boy's gonna be on a motard.
Motard.
He gonna be retard on a motard. You can't say that word.
Don't say that, man.
I really don't. I don't find that offended because when I say retard, it's just something stupid. Like if y'all talking like that in that sense,
Yeah,
y'all
it's
wrong,
all about
man.
context,
Y'all
right?
are
So like
wrong.
you could say the N word.
Just say it.
Just say it. Yeah, 450 KTM
450.
race.
You got
Yeah, a
450.
sticker. We need a sticker that says
Faux, like
P
faux,
PHO.
PHO.
Yeah, and then 50 with the 2 double D's.
Right.
Got some tires for her already. Some Diablo Rosso Pirellis.
Yeah, my boy said get those because he got them on the R1.
Yeah. Oh yeah, she looking. I feel like every time y'all see that bike, it looks
It's
like it's
apart.
just taken apart. They haven't seen it like one time with just like it put together. Like,
Well, they seen a couple of the vlog videos.
Yeah, but yeah, so she's apart again.
And my camera went down, so you can't ever hear what I'm saying, or my mic.
Mm-hmm.
I lost my mic. I
Broke
broke
it.
I
You
broke
broke it.
My big face.
Yeah.
But yeah, man. So this is a whole nother little like build series.
Mm-hmm.
No, we're just gonna throw some shit on. It's not a build, but you know, in YouTube world, it's another build series that we're gonna have a bunch of fun on, and I am super excited. I'm ready to just like throw these tires on, have my master mechanic do all my maintenance, and just get to doing wheelies.
Right.
I want to learn how to 12 o'clock this, because I'll be chasing my wheelies on old pumpkin, the Super 1000, but I'm ready to be. I want to scrape this for real, but for all the good reasons.
You should put some like a little titanium piece back there, so when it does scrape, you can get little sparks. Because most people on motards, you don't.
I gotta
like,
be really careful, man.
wheelie careful.
Wheelie careful, because the subframe's aluminum.
What's that mean?
Snap
Oh
it.
yeah, if you go too hard.
Snap it. I'm a big boy. I don't know. 11 o'clock ish.
Yeah.
So we
Right.
don't break things. It is a race bike.
Yeah. It's got some goodies. What the Dubach Racing
Yeah.
Development
DRD.
DRD. Yeah.
With the SS super slow. Yeah, that's what we're about.
Not sure if that's like factory or not, but it's got a PDS suspension, WP. Wet put.
Can you tell we have no idea what we're looking at
Right?
now?
Yeah, we just know we could throw some street tires on it and do some
And rip
wheelies.
it.
Yeah. Fancy Kickstarter here, you know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
but it also has electric start, and I'm not going to show you how to start it, 'cause when y'all out in the streets, I ain't trying to get this stolen.
Right?
He's like, but
Yeah.
but we could just kickstart it.
Electric start. It's got like a aftermarket brake system on it that's like for racing, where you could also, when you take it to the dirt, it's got like a progressive grab where you could actually grab it
Where
and
you
not
don't wash
slide.
out.
And then if you really grab it, then it gets it bites the rotor and makes you do it.
But yeah,
Endo.
Brembos all the way around.
Yeah.
I don't
Integrated puts.
know if those are Excel wheels, but they are dope. Let's show those dope wheels.
Yeah,
I love
nice.
Spokies.
Yeah, those are clean.
On a Motard.
Look at the rotors too. That's cool because you got a wave rotor.
Hell yeah, boy. Front and rear wave rotors.
Right. It's only one.
It's got a Red Bull can for a catch can right now because you can't have your oil
Fancy.
just leaking on the track. I might order a set of black plastics to be honest.
Really?
Yeah.
Black?
I have an idea that I'm going to do with
It's
this.
so tall. I was
Probably going to do a half-half, and the black base would just look way better. Bro, they're 130 bucks.
Oh, that's cheap.
Yeah. When the quad, I can't get one. The quad, I can't get fairings for that for less than 700 bucks, guys. If y'all got a place, please leave a comment below. I need some new fairings because let's show them this.
He's put.
Let's just show
He's
them.
had some fun on it.
So, Frankenstein here. Look at all these. Hey, it holds, but man, I'm trying to make this thing look real nice.
Right? Look at what it looked like when it was brand new.
Brand new.
That was under a sticker.
She was
It was
flaky.
like black with flake, and now it's
She was flaky. So
Yeah.
yeah, I need some new fairings.
yeah.
But super excited for this one.
Right. This is super cool, man.
Y'all should see me ripping on this really, really soon.
I'm excited to see what you're doing on this thing. Excited to see it. Add it to the channel.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That's cool. Got another little motorsport for you guys. We thought about it. We were like, okay, well, every little toy or whatnot we get, might as well just make like a series out of it on the channel. So we got a Motard build. We got doing whatever we're gonna do left to the
Grom 1
R1.
Motard build.
Yeah, a Grom 1 Motard build. We got the quads.
Quads?
Those are both getting builds.
The Chargers?
The Chargers.
Plural.
Those are,
We got 2 of everything, y'all.
Right? It's
Cody
2 of
and
us.
Cody.
So yeah, we got
slab builds, you know.
the
Caddy and
Chargers.
the Mercs.
We got the caddy builds, and then right there would be the Merc.
All right.
Yeah.
Truck builds.
Oh, got the 750. Y'all ain't even seen that.
Y'all ain't
Y'all gotta
seen
wait
750.
till we drop that video. Cause yeah,
750.
we got a whole nother toy. So
Another race bike
yeah,
going on the street. Why are we putting 2 race bikes on the streets?
we them boys.
We'll jump off everything. Any and everything I see is gonna be a ramp.
Yeah, he's already like what do I always call you? Crash dummy. He's
dummy.
already crash dummy with like anything. When we went to Atlanta and all these other in Charlotte and whatnot, yeah, we rode on scooters all through the city,
I was
and this
jumping
man was
everything.
jumping everything.
Trying to go down 77 steps.
Yeah, no. That's so you can have that, but
I'll definitely go up and down with this.
right.
I'll be all over the campus, just brap, 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 brap. Oh, that skate park? Oh man, that's the
Yeah.
little thing of the skate park.
Oh, dude.
Oh,
That'd be
dude.
fun.
Oh, dude.
Dude. Oh,
Yes.
dude. Well, you said skate, so I had to like.
Oh.
We already got tires for it. We just need to get them put on, so we got to go over to Zach and have him do those.
He's gonna do a once over with all the fluids and everything, make sure everything's Gucci for me to get out on the road. So Chappie,
Yeah. Tell you,
y'all know what Chappie is?
if y'all
Chappie
haven't
got
seen
bling?
Chappie,
Chappie got blings. Chappie got blings.
I'm gonna put some bars on her.
You can fall in love with a robot.
Yeah, facts.
Not like
Not-
dirty or nothing.
Yeah,
but,
no,
like,
don't
you
make
actually
it.
gain feelings for
Don't
a
make it
robot.
weird.
Yeah, don't make it weird.
The brake pads too went next door.
Brake pad Litos.
I was waiting on those because if you guys don't know, if your forks are leaking and they leak oil onto your rotors and brake pads, well, once that oil gets soaked into the pad, it ruins the pads. So once you get your fork seals replaced, it's a good thing to just go ahead and replace your brake pads. That way you can actually stop your motorcycle. We could take the Motard over to Zach and get that thing, get the tire swapped on it. The boy be moving.
Yeah, I'll be. Yeah.
You tall,
We
bro.
both
Like
moving.
it's hard to
keep my head
like
in frame.
if I'm right here, yeah, your head's cut off.
Keep my head in frame.
So
bro.
you gotta talk loud.
That is Vlogalations 101.
Sup, clutch? Sup, boy? Ooh, fresh rubber.
Ooh, got that new meat.
Meats of the news.
Yeah. Traveled super far, you know, down the way. Come over here to old Zach and Terrence Salmon. They do a lot of bike stuff.
We do a lot of our bike stuff.
Right?
We're getting fresh meat and like fluid service because the thing's been sitting. So
Yeah.
Zach said there was no coolant,
No clue. She's dry.
none,
Bone dry.
and it barely looked like it had any oil, to be
Yeah.
honest.
I know, because the oil fills right there and I don't see it.
He already swapped over those nasty grips. So
yeah.
I wouldn't have done gray again just because they're gonna get filthy, but they were free, so we threw them on there.
Can't beat free fitting.
Free fitting. He's taking the rear race tire off, putting a new Pirelli Russo 3, recommended by my boy.
Yeah, I got them on my R1. They're actually really solid tires. Like the center compound is hard, so like if you need to like ride out somewhere and don't want to worry about like just eating up the center and then having to replace the tire too soon, the center part is a lot harder than the sides. The sides are softer and they're a lot stickier, so if he wants to go and hit curves and whatnot, like he'll have plenty of grip. He should have full confidence in it, and that's like really the biggest deal. I feel like that's what makes like riders even better, when you actually are confident in what you're riding on.
I need a hard compound in the center anyway. I'm a big boy.
Yeah, boy.
Big boy on a
Yeah.
450. You know where you're strong? Right
Yeah. I'm strong.
Oh.
I wish we had a clip of Jack saying that.
You're going to have to get one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put that in
We'll
there.
put that in here right now. Ooh. Put it on, man.
Put her on, put her on.
Squirting.
Oh man, I don't know if y'all can hear what I hear. Sounds like we got the Supermoto running. That boy Motard and y'all, Papa locking. I'm so happy for him. He has wanted one of these for so long. Finally got one. We got so many adventures we about to have. So much new content. Just all around. So much fun, man. Just enjoy y'all's life. This is just, I don't know. This is super dope. I love the vibes. I love the energy. I love like our visions of what we're about to be doing. Like with everything involved between the bikes, the channel, just content we're going to be creating. It's just, it's amazing, and I really hope you guys believe in that, because yeah, it's only up from here. She got squirrely. I saw her, that rear went.
She's rowdy.
Yeah, saw it get squirrely over there.
Yeah, it's gonna need a steering dampener. First gear is like.
He said it's torquey, yeah.
Oh, I can't wait to get used to this thing.
I bet.
I'll just put it out.
Hell yeah.
Well, needless to say, I got a big smile on my freaking face.
Needsless.
Needless.
Needsless.
There's
There's nothing else needed.
else. So,
Needs less.
bruh. Brap. She brapping, y'all.
Yeah.
Bro, the Russo 3 Pirellis is so smooth. Oh my goodness, look at these guys. That chain chopping up the tire, you know. Big meat problems.
I like it, man. I'm happy for you, honestly, man. This thing is super cool. I'm
Thank
excited
you.
for all the content and stuff we're about to have.
Bro,
We
we're
got
about
so
to
many
have
ideas, y'all.
Some brapulations for y'all.
Rapulations. Trademark.
Brat.
We also got another little thing for you guys. It's in front of this one, but we ain't gonna let you guys see it. Because if you want to know what that one is, go and make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell. That way you get notified whenever we do our next upload, so you guys can see what we're talking about. But it's super fun, and it's just gonna be a whole nother series, and it'll build on the channel.
We'll build. So we're gonna turn you this way so you can't see it.
Yeah.
You probably already saw it once, but he's gonna cut all that out so you don't get to see it, right? Until you see that video.
Precisely.
When you subscribe. And we'll know when you subscribe, so you better do it.
So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video.
Yeah, man. I love it. So, okay, well, it's almost done. But we're gonna go headlight, little tail light. I got a catch cam for it. EvilEnergy.com. Oh, come on. Open for the people. Catch cam, boys. Look at that. Fellas and bellas. So much better than a Red Bull can. Oh, and there's a bunch of goodies for the Charger and for the Merc, so stay tuned. Bye.